Take a look at this TikTok account. It is uploading viral animal haircut AI videos and has been getting millions of views on almost every video. And the surprising part is it's all simple and easy to create. Now here's what most people don't realize. This exact style of video can be recreated using AI. And today I will show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. We have already created a master prompt for you. You can get it from our channel. The link is in the description. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you run it, ChatGPT will generate 10 different ideas. Enter the one that you want and ChatGPT will create 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. Now we move into the creation process. For this, we'll use Flow AI, which is a free AI tool for image generation. Start with image generation. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Paste it into Flow AI. Then select your aspect ratio and number of outputs and click Generate. Within a few minutes, your image will be ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. In Flow AI, click on the plus icon and upload the image we just created. This helps maintain consistency. Then paste the prompt and click Generate. Your second image will be created. Now return it into a video. Go to the video generation section inside Flow AI. Select the image you just created, set it as a frame 1, and for the in frame, add the last image we just generated now. Now copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. Click Generate and just like that, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks clean, realistic, and highly engaging. The exact style that is currently going viral. Here are a few more variations I created using the same system. And that's it. This is how you can create viral animal haircut AI videos using a simple workflow. If this helped you, don't just scroll away. Comment haircut if you want me to send you the exact master prompt I used in this video. And if you're stuck anywhere in the process, like prompts not working, images not matching, or video generation issues, just drop your problem in the comments. I try to reply as many as I can and help you fix it. Also, if you want more hidden AI videos format like this before they get saturated, make sure you subscribe because I will be breaking down the next viral niche soon.